Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is actually Friday, but I'm making this video so I don't have to post it Monday morning. So we're starting week 5. You should be watching this on Monday, April 24th. April 27th. Today is April 24th. My day. My now is the 24th. You're watching this on the 27th. So we finished The Hate U Give last week. This week we're going to be getting into our last unit for the year, and that is over research. Now first, before anybody starts freaking out, no, you are not going to write an essay, okay? You will have to present a product, but it's going to be an easy to do product. We're trying to make it as easy as possible, considering I'm on this side of the computer or the device, you're on that side, and I can't be there to actually put my finger on stuff and show you. So it's going to be a little different. We're going to start today with kind of the background to research. You know, what makes we're going to kind of go over vocabulary, the actual research process, and we're going to use something called Nearpod. You'll click a link and you'll put in a code. I've got the link and I've got the code and the assignment for you. It's just below because I'm actually embedding this video into Monday this time instead of just putting it in the general chat. You will click that link. If it asks you for the code's in the box. You'll go through it, and then in a couple days I'll pull a report and I'll see who's done it, who's not, and get your grades that way. We're doing something a little different because we know that a lot of people just got their technology, or they're still waiting on hotspots that got pushed behind another week. So I will not be posting assignments on Wednesdays anymore. You still have to show up. You still have to check in, but Wednesday is kind of like a makeup day for all your classes now. Everybody has to do this. We were told last week. Everybody has to do this on Wednesdays. We will all be online, but we will not be posting a new assignment because it's a makeup day for you guys. So I'll still be doing a video call on Wednesday. In fact, there might even be an extra credit benefit for those of y'all who might need it just for attending the video call this week. So video call will be Wednesday, same bat time, same bat station. Wednesday is now a study hall day for you to work on work, do makeup work, ask questions, stuff like that. I will still be available all day. And we're starting research. So again, like normal, we're going to go into, I'm using third period because it's the only one I've done yet. I've got the channel hidden, so you can't see it right now. And this is what I'm talking about. Here is your assignment for the day. Once I finish this video, I'm going to embed it right here. You're going to need to click this link. That's the code you might need. And that's it. That's simple. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we're going to talk about what is a credible source and what is an uncredible source. And there'll be a little thing to do with that. Of course, Wednesday is going to be study hall. Thursday, we're going to talk about primary and secondary sources, and there'll be a 10-question quiz for that. And then Friday, we're going to talk about MLA formatting for the types of sources we're going to require you to look for research. And show you how to properly cite in a PowerPoint, because that's what we're going to have you do. And then give you a little bit of practice time. You won't actually start research until next week. So you've got time. You're good. Like I said, I'll be doing video call on Wednesday. So if you've got a question, just let me know. Of course, you can always message me. Just because I said I won't respond between 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. does not mean you cannot ask me a question at that time. You can ask me a question, it just means I won't be awake to check it. If y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, confusions, or crises, just let me know. Other than that, I will talk to y'all Wednesday.